salutation to the God. God means just opposite of the death. God means just opposite of the death. Now we have to know about very important three subjects. Three subjects we all of the world should know, by any way should know about three subjects. The first is about death. Death is compulsory for the body. Death is compulsory for the body, because where is birth, there is a death. Where is birth, there is death. So near and far. So near and far, the body dies. The body dies. About a body, we are feeling we are a body. We are feeling we are men. We are women. We are only a body. So death is compulsory, near or far. Actually, it is wrong. It is a blunder mistake. It is a blunder mistake to feeling about the body like me, like I, exact me, according the body. So death is compulsory. This is actually a wrong thinking, wrong belief, wrong faith, because the other two also we have to know. Death is one which is necessary to know, which belongs to death, which belongs to body. First thing. Second thing, about the dream. Dream, two types. One, experience. One, experience in night, at the night, sleeping time, sleeping, we have experience of dream in the night, in the day. The day, the life of day is long dream. The life of day is long dream, and the life of night sleeping, the dream, short dream and long dream. Only dream, that is two types, long and short. That also false. That also by mistake. So up to now, we have gained knowledge about 2. Now we have gained about 2 knowledge. One about the death, next about the dream, and the third subject, which is a very, very important, that is the experience of sound sleep. The third is the experience of sound sleep, because according to sound sleep, we know about God. We know about God clearly from the example of sound sleep, because when we remember about the sound sleep, at that time no ignorance, from where oral comes. When we remember the experience of sound sleep, at that time there is no ignorance. Ignorance is that from which comes false dream and a false death, false body. The main cause of the world, the main cause of the dream, the main cause of the body, that is from ignorance. But when we remember about the sound sleep, there is no ignorance, there is knowledge. Such knowledge that there is no world, such knowledge that we know there is no death, there is no bodies, there is no world, because there is no ignorance. There is knowledge. There is knowledge of the soul. There is the knowledge of the God. There is knowledge of God Shiva. There is knowledge of Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, about that we can experience according sounds sleep. This is the version of supreme philosophy of the world. That is Brihadaranyaka 80c. Many Upanishads. Upanishad means Vedanta philosophy. That is the conclusion of Vedas, which is the supreme spiritual book, supreme spiritual books, Rigveda, Samveda, Ajurveda, Atharvaveda. The conclusion of Vedas, that is Vedanta, that is Upanishad Darshan, Upanishad philosophy, top philosophy of the world. It is true, there is no doubt. No one can cut this argument, this saying, this version, this expression, this presentation. So, we should follow 3 subjects. One, which is first, which is very valuable, which is very, very important, that is about God. We can feel, we can be, the experience of that means God's experience we may get from the example of sound sleep. And then second, about the dream, short dream and long dream, both are under dream. Dream is false, so both dreams are false. So the third, death of the body. Death is under false oral because false oral where is death in the body comes from ignorance. Only from ignorance the world does come, which does not stay, which is mortal, where is only tensions, where is only fears of many kinds, where is troubles of many kinds. No happiness there, no permanent happiness there, because that is duplicate nature, false nature. Uh, so, the real experience is of the God which we belong. Our actual nature is God. So we all of the world belong to the God, not different from the God. So actually we are all the time according God, because pure experience always we are feeling exactly. Always we are feeling self-light. Self-light always we are feeling. That is God. Actually, pleasure entirely we belong to the love. We belong to the pleasure. We belong to the pleasance. Now I describe in Hindi language. अभिवादन सभी को तीन बात को जानना चाहिए जो बहुत जरूरी है। एक है मृत्यु के बारे में, जहाँ शरीर है वहाँ मृत्यु है। एक बात जो मिथ्या है, जो झूठा है, जो भ्रम है, न जानने के कारण, यथार्थ नहीं जानने के कारण भले सत्य जैसा लग रहा है, वास्तव में सत्य नहीं है। दूसरा ड्रीम, सपना, छोटा सपना, लंबा सपना, दिन का सपना, लंबा सपना, रात का सपना, छोटा सपना। सपना एक ही होता है, सपना झूठ है। और थर्ड, सुषुप्ति के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा, गाढ़ा निद्रा के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा, जो बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद आदि में बहुत बार कहा गया है। जो वेदांत है, जो सुप्रीम फिलोसॉफी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, वेदांत, वेद का निचोड़, ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, यजुर्वेद, अथर्ववेद का निचोड़ जो वेदांत है, जो उपनिषद दर्शन है, जो टॉप फिलोसॉफी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, उनका कहना है सुषुप्ति जो गाढ़ निद्रा है उसमें भगवान का साक्षात अनुभव होता रहता है। जहाँ कोई, जब हम याद करते हैं गाढ़ निद्रा को, वहाँ अज्ञानता नहीं है। अज्ञानता का कारण ही संसार आता है, जहाँ मृत्यु है, जहाँ स्वप्न है। वास्तव में मिथ्या है, सत्य है परमात्मा, जो सुषुप्ति गाढ़ा निद्रा से हम संसार का सभी को साक्षात अनुभव होता रहता है। क्योंकि वहाँ केवल ज्ञान है, इसलिए न वहाँ कोई सूक्ष्म शरीर है, न वहाँ फिजिकल शरीर है, न फिजिकल शरीर है, न फीलिंग शरीर है, न मन का शरीर है, न भौतिक शरीर है। क्योंकि वहाँ अज्ञान जो है वो मिथ्या है, क्योंकि वहाँ ज्ञान है। ज्ञान का मतलब सदा शुद्ध अनुभव, सदा स्वयं प्रकाश, सदा आनंद ही आनंद। ऐसा अनुभव मिल जाता है जब हम लोग सुषुप्ति गाढ़ा निद्रा को याद करते हैं। ये कहना है बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद आदि का। ये जो कुरा हो, यो यथार्थ कुरा हो, यस कारणले हामीले तीनटा कुरालाई लिनुपर्छ। एउटा मृत्यु भएको शरीर, दोस्रो सपना, तेस्रो गाढा निद्रा। मृत्यु भएको शरीर वास्तवमा झुटो हो, किनकि स्वप्न अन्तर्गत हो। स्वप्न दुवै झुटा हो, रातिको सपना पनि दिनको लामो सपना पनि सत्य हो। जसोसो तिमीमा अनुभव हुन्छ, गाढा निद्रामा जो अनुभव हुन्छ त्यहाँ साक्षात् परमात्माको अनुभव हुन्छ। त्यसकारण संसारका हामी सबै वास्तवमा एक परमात्मा हौँ हर हालतमा। It is true, there is no doubt. Now this expression is coming from Balram Jishi, Advait Pradeep Saraswati, President of Akhand Sukha Kendra of Nepal country. Now we are listening, telling from Nepal Bhairava Media's radio, Rupante FM radio, Parasi, Srinagar FM, from Palpa Tansai Naina, from Butol Mukti FM, about the actual nature of ours, of the pupil of the world, of the actual nature of all we human beings. That is, we should know three words. One, sound sleep, which is very, very important to convert into the God, taking example of sound sleep. Next, that is a dream, short dream, long dream, both dream, false. And third, death, concern of body and death under dream. Dream is not truth. Only truth is God. We can realize always from the example of sound sleep. It is true, there is no doubt. Now the time is ending. Hari Om Tassat.